Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw this with sharp points, and they're using ellipse to, try to figure out where they need to put the first ellipse to spin it around to get those sharp points. And you could do that, but the math would take you forever. You could do a four-sided polygon, but it's not going to work because it's not going to have a curve. You could actually turn that into a curve. One thing neat about a polygon, you could change you can do a lot with it, but you can't make it perfect. Or you can, it would just take you a long time. I don't know how that happened. Let's take I only know how to make this shape because I've made it before. Take a rectangle or a square, make them 12 inches or whatever size. Take an ellipse, make it 12 inches. Select them both and hit P. There's 1/4 of our drawing. Control D, make a duplicate. Grab this handle and get the two-sided. Grab this, Control D, get that handle to the two-sided arrow. Now you've got lines in there. Look at that. That's perfectly. Weld it together because minute little lines are in there. I don't know if you can see that. But when you take it all and weld it together, you have no lines. As much as you could take this and left click, right click, and you can see there are no lines. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.